everyone, welcome back to another video from Editing Basics. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to take screenshots on Filmora application using your Android device. To take screenshots within Filmora application, the first thing to do is to launch open the Filmora application from your app drawer and make sure that you're inside the main home page. After you're inside the main home page, click on New Project to start a new video editing project, or you can also select one of the existing projects you want to edit. After you select your existing project, go ahead and play through the video to find the frame you want to capture as a screenshot. Once you are done, click on the full screen option on the right corner. Now you will be able to full screen your video. Use your Android device's screenshot feature to take a screenshot. For most Android devices out there, you'll need to press and hold the power button and the volume down button simultaneously, and you will be able to take a screenshot. The screenshot will now be saved to your device's gallery or photos app, and that is how you can easily take screenshot within the Filmora application using your Android phone. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.